Hey guys, Mr. Cohen here. Today's a two-part video, and we're going to begin by talking about setting up chairs. Alright, this open response problem was a bit of a challenge, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to work my way through it and show you how I solved it. Let's begin with clue A. Clue A says, when there are 2 chairs in each row, there's 1 leftover chair. When there are 3 chairs in each row, there's 1 leftover chair. When there are 4 chairs in each row, there is still 1 leftover chair. But when there are 5 chairs in each row, there are no leftover chairs. That's a big clue. We want to know how many chairs did Miss Soto set up. I know that if there's 5 chairs in each row, there are no leftover chairs. There also can't be more than 35 chairs in the room. So I'm going to begin by making rows with 5 chairs in them, and I'm going to see if the other clues match. I'm going to begin with the number 5. I'm going to predict that there are 5 total chairs that Miss Soto set up. As you can see here, I've got one row of 5, and that fits clue D. There's 5 chairs in this row. There's no chairs left over. Let's see if I can make 5 chairs with clue A by using 2 chairs in each row. I'm going to use a different color. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 1 chair left over. So it works for clue A. This was D. How about clue B? 3 chairs in each row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Doesn't work for clue B because there's 2 chairs left over right here. Okay, so 5 doesn't work. Let's try 10. So we'll start out with clue A this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, there's no chairs left over. So 10 doesn't work. That means it can't end in a 0, because 20 would do the same thing. Let's jump up to 25. So I'm going to predict that 25 is the number. Let's start with clue A. 2 chairs in each row. (24), 25. There's 1 chair left over, so clue A works. Let's try clue B. 3 in each row. (23), 24, 25. 1 chair left over. Clue B works. Let's try clue C. 4 in each row. (24), 25. 1 left over. Clue C works. How about clue D? 5 in each row. (25). Clue D works. So it turns out that my answer of 25 was correct. Okay, let's move on to talking about sharing money. On today's sharing money problems, we're going to be working with $10 bills and $1 bills. The question I'm going to answer right now is, 2 people want to share $68. I'm going to begin by drawing my $68 with money. I'm going to start with the $10 bills first. So I'm going to draw 10 here, 10, and I'm going to keep going until I get to 68. All right, there's $68. Now I'm going to draw my 2 people. Then I'm going to pass out money. Once again, I'm going to start with the big bills. So, 10 to this person, 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 and 10 to this person. So far, they each have $30. Now I'm going to pass out the ones. One here, one here. One here, one here. Here, 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 here. Can group these like this, and we can see that each person got another $4. If I add those totals together, each person gets $34. That's going to do it for today's math lesson. Please remember, when you finish your math journal page, send a picture to me either by Gmail or on Parent Square. Stay safe. Have a great weekend, everybody.